Imagine a bustling city full of activity. Now shrink that city down until it fits inside one of your cells. Welcome to the world of organelles. These are the specialized structures within a cell, each with a unique role to play. Think of it as a microscopic city where the buildings and workers are these remarkable organelles. Just like in a city, every organelle has its own job to do. Let's meet these hard-working teams. Firstly, meet the control center, the nucleus, the boss, with the genetic blueprint of the cell. The nucleus is like the city hall where all the important decisions are made. It holds the DNA, the instruction manual of the cell, guiding all the cell's activities. Next up is the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria. Picture a power plant buzzing with energy. That's what the mitochondria are doing, creating energy for all the cell's activities. They're the cell's energy suppliers, keeping the lights on and the engines running. Now, let's meet the protein builders, the ribosomes. These organelles consist of RNA and proteins and are responsible for protein production. Ribosomes are found suspended in the cytosol or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum. They're busy, always working, ensuring the cell has all it needs to function. Moving on, we have the endoplasmic reticulum, the cell's packaging plant. Imagine a busy post office sorting and delivering parcels. The endoplasmic reticulum transports materials within the cell and modifies proteins, ensuring they're in the right shape and ready to do their jobs. The Golgi apparatus, or the cell's delivery service, takes over from there. It packages and distributes proteins and other materials, making sure they reach their destinations. Consider it like the cell's postal service, always on the move, delivering packages on time. Then there's the waste disposal, the lysosomes. They're like the sanitation department, breaking down waste products and old cell parts. They keep the cell clean and tidy, removing anything that's no longer needed. For our green friends, the plant cells, we have two unique organelles. The cell wall, the city's outer wall, provides support and structure. It's like the city's protective barrier, keeping everything safe and secure. And the chloroplasts, the solar power plants of the cell, they capture sunlight and use it to produce food through photosynthesis. They're like the city's farmers, harnessing the power of the sun to feed the cell. As you can see, each organelle has a unique role, but they all work together like an orchestra playing a beautiful symphony. Just like the different sections of an orchestra, each with their own part to play, the organelles work in harmony to create the music of life within each and every cell. From the smallest microbe to the tallest tree, this is the intricate dance of life at its most fundamental level. So, we've met the organelles, but how do they all fit together? Imagine a grand orchestra where every instrument has its unique sound, yet together they create a harmonious symphony. That's precisely how organelles in a cell operate. Each has a distinct role, but they all work together, orchestrating life at the most fundamental level. From the nucleus, the conductor, to the ribosomes, the violinists, every part is integral to the cell's melody. And that, my friends, is the amazing world of organelles, each one playing its part in the grand symphony of life. Who knew that our cells were such busy places, right? So don't stop here. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of cells. Remember, every tiny cell in your body is a bustling city of organelles. Keep exploring and stay curious.